going to get to see my lovely kitchen, which I haven't even cleaned for the occasion. You'll need to sterilise your jar. This is not a special one, it's just an old pickles jar that I nicked from my dad. He loves his pickles. I've washed it in the dishwasher, I've rinsed it under the tap to get any soap residue off, and now I'm going to stick it in the oven, which has been preheated to 120 degrees, and I'll just stick it in there for 10 minutes or so, and that will sterilise it, and it will also dry it, which is nice and handy. Right, next job is to chop up all of your apples. Right, I filled the jar up, as you can see. It took about just under 4 of those big apples. And I should probably have mentioned previously that this jar is a 1.5 litre jar. So what I'm about to do now is stick in the solution, which is 100 grams of sugar to 1 litre of water. I'm going to use this whole jug, and I don't know if I'll need more than that. Basically, I'm just going to keep on going until I get to the top. And I am pretty impressed that I have not spilt anything. Woo-hoo. Yep, didn't even need all of that. Science kids, listening class. Right, and that is step 3. This is where it could all go wrong because I'm doing this one-handed. You just need to stick the muslin cloth on the top now. It doesn't necessarily have to be muslin, as long as it's clean and breathable. The idea is to let air in but keep nasty stuff out, and secure it with an elastic band. I'm using one of Alessi's old hair ties because, yeah, why not? And there you have it. How fancy. And like the absolute pro I am, I keep forgetting to turn my mic on, and I've already spilt some of my vinegar mix. Good start. Yeah, here we go. You've got only one more step to do, and that is basically to stick it in the storage place of your choice. I'm sticking it in the cupboard under the stairs, and brace yourselves, you're about to see my laundry basket. Right, so this is where it's going to live for the next few weeks. Hopefully I can reach over and stick it out of the way of small hands without dropping it. There we go. I will check that in a couple of weeks, and it should be cider by that point, and then 2 to 3 weeks after that it should make rather nice apple cider vinegar. There you have it, nice and easy. I have been a bit all over the place today, so if I did miss anything or you have any questions, just drop me a comment. Until next time, have a nice day.